how to fix this app can't run on your PC error in your Windows 10 or 11. So if you want to fix this app can't run on your PC error in your Windows 10 or 11, then let's see some possible fixes for this. So it might be that the application that you are trying to install on your PC is downloaded from a third-party website, or there might be anything else error, or your system might be blocking quietly. So let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing you have to do is click on the arrow icon, which will be on the bottom of your screen, and then go with Windows Security. Click on the Windows Security section. And if you have any updates on your Windows, then you just need simply go and update it. You just need simply go with App and Browser Control and click on Reputation-Based Project Settings. And here you must see an option of Check Apps and Files, which will be right here. So you just need simply go and disable this. Then click on Yes, and once this has been disabled, you'll be able to see that your Microsoft Defender Smart Screen Help Protect Your Device is checking for unrecognized apps and files. So basically, whenever you try to open any third-party file where Microsoft doesn't trust, it might be blocked. So sometimes due to this setting, you are unable to install any application or any game on your PC. So once it has been done, or once it has been disabled, you need to go back and then you have to retry. And if you're still facing the same issues, then you need to have developer permissions on your PC, or you have to enable developer mode. Now to do that, you need to open up your settings. So search for settings on your PC. In the settings, you need to go with system and then scroll down and then look for advanced. From the advanced, you will have the developer options, or you can just simply go with your search and search for developer settings. So in my case, the developer options is turned off. So you just need to simply go and turn it on. Once your developer mode is enabled, now you will have the permissions to install or open any app or any file on your PC. And once it has been done, I recommend you to try to restart your PC before you retry or to open or install any application. Once you've restarted your PC, problem will be fixed. After your PC has been restarted, now you can try to install or open that application. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.